So we recently did a study where we looked at the top 50 DMAs and we wanted to see who are the top five, most searched brands for law firms in the United States. And the results are very telling. I'll make sure that I include a link to that in the description here. But the question is, how as a law firm can you start to increase your brand search, right? And so, while I would like to say like I've got like a shortcut and there's like a secret to it, there really isn't. It's just doing like real marketing, real advertising. TV commercials help build brand, radio advertisements help build brand, billboards, right? Sometimes like here in LA, like there's not even a phone number on some of the billboards out here, right? It just says Jacoby Myers, right? Injury lawyers, right? That's the whole billboard, right? There's no call to action. There's no phone number, right? They just want to brand themselves as Jacoby Myers, right? And so when people are doing a search for car accident lawyer, right? And they see Jacoby and Myers, right, showing up in the search result, like now they feel like, wait a second, I recognize that firm, right? It's just because I saw their TV commercial, I heard them on the radio, I see their billboards all over town. And so, Google rewards brands, right? Like the more people that are actually searching for your brand tells Google that this is a popular firm and they should be ranking higher, right? So you're actually getting a favorable algorithm signal by kind of building your brand as well in terms of like the SEO value. So it's really important, but also just kind of going out and doing things like, even if you can't afford billboards and stuff like that, just market to your local community, right? Go out to the local car show and set up like a little flyer and give them out, like that's kind of how you start to build a brand. And it's not all a matter of like your firm's brand. Sometimes it's a matter of your personal brand too. Like for me, I think my personal brand has a bigger reach, right, in the industry than my agency brand. And that's just because of the years and years of relationships and speaking at conferences and stuff like that. So there's really two brands that you're concerned about, right? Your company brand and then your personal brand.